Hey guys, what is up and welcome to this video. We are at Big White today and are doing our first summit, and we're taking you guys along a little. We're already actually kind of in the middle of it, but we already filmed our hike up, so let's just roll it.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
You better grab that tambourine.
Getting a little bit sunnier, eh?
Yeah. We may be forced to cause a scene, make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah.
Be fair aware and fight back.
Turn it up, we got this. We got this. On a higher
Gary. Sponsored by Gary.
I wish.
Well, not yet.
We are almost up, and then just a last little bit to the summit, but we are enjoying the view here quite a bit. It's very beautiful. Sun is not out yet, but it's supposed to come. And honestly, seeing all these gondolas and everything, you just really want to go skiing actually. But I also don't want summer to be over just yet.
I would have liked to meet you again. You would have liked to do that too. I've never been that superstitious, but I started thinking after you. We could be made for each other, more than just lovers, but I guess that we will never know. 'Cause now we're back being casual, not very special. If you just said by then, ooh, 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 ooh,
We did it. We made it all the way up to the summit. I'm not sure if you even can hear me or not because it is so windy up here. Sun is coming through though, but it is very cold. I think we have like it's not very warm. Let's check. We have 11 degrees apparently, but it definitely doesn't feel like it. I think it feels like 5. Maybe I'm just a little baby with that too, but so worth it. So beautiful. It's not raining. That's all I'm asking for. And it's just like it feels so good. It's our first summit ever. Be quiet at 2,300 something meters. Feels good.
I would have liked to meet you again. You would have liked to do that too.
So we were hiking up Falcon Ridge Trail and it took us about 2 hours actually to even go all the way up to the peak. So to our summit, and now we're just trying to find a good spot to enjoy our lunch and then head down to Ronda Lake, which you can already see, and then just heading down to the center village with the Ronda Lake Trail, and then we'll see what we are going to do.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la.
Oh, we just had an amazing lunch with a fantastic view. It's so rewarding after like such an amazing hike to take a little break and just sit down, relax for a second and enjoy the view. It's definitely something worth checking out, and we are probably going to, we are for sure coming back in the winter, and we'll see what kind of a winter wonderland it's going to be. But for now we will focus on our hike down to the village center and checking out the lake first, I guess.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my choo-choo-la, choo-choo-la. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up.
This area we are in right now is so beautiful, but I actually would not be surprised if we would see a bear like right now coming out of the woods. There was just a very creepy moment there for a second. We were just walking and then it started to like crack and like I don't know how to really describe the sound, but then we realized it's just an old kind of dead tree moving in the wind. It's just like yeah, I will not repeat this noise. Okay, that is definitely a goal, to have a little cottage here in the middle of the mountain with garages ready to unload or park or drive or move your snowmobile. Like, that is super cool. So after a little over 4 hours and after 10.5 kilometers, we're done. We just walked a little bit through village center, which was super beautiful. I can't wait to see it in the winter time as well. But yeah, we're exhausted now. We're going to head back home and are going to enjoy the rest of the day.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop.
Thank you so much for joining us on our hike up Big White. If you didn't do it yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon right next to it. Give this video a big thumbs up because it's going to help me and my channel out a lot. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm going to do next, but I know that I want to have you there with me. So see you the next time. Cheers!